the Honorable Congress President constituted a high-level COVID-19 relief task on May 11, 2021, under the chairmanship of Sri Ghulam Nabi Azad to coordinate, to supervise, and guide the relief measures being carried out by the Congress Party across all the states and union territories of India since the onslaught of the second wave of COVID-19. The committee held extensive deliberation with the AICC General Secretaries in charge of respective states and union territories, Pradesh Congress Committee presidents, the District Congress Committee presidents, and the state control rooms. Pursuant to these deliberations, the task force arrived at list of relief measures to be provided to the people throughout the crisis. Friends, these measures will continue for as long as required for the people of India. Our PCC office bearers, our frontal organizations, especially the Indian Youth Congress, has been stellar works towards COVID-19 relief with utmost humility. These are the most challenging times of every Indian. And you have been witness to how we stood shoulder to shoulder with the people of our country and the government in fighting the COVID catastrophe right since the beginning. We cautioned the government about the impending danger, giving constructive suggestions to protect our people from this onslaught. Today is not the day to talk about the government's attitude, but it breaks out our hurt to realize that when congressmen and women are out in the field helping whomever can be helped with whatever possible, oxygen, medicine kits, ambulances, extra. But the party in power, the BJP, is busy maligning us, our leadership, through absolutely fakery. They created fake content just to divert attention from their own failure. We are happy that BJP and its leadership's bluff has been called. They have been exposed. We don't want to say anything about these serial offenders. We want to leave it to the highest court, that is People's Court. I could have demanded action from the BJP president, but what action we can expect it if he himself is involved in peddling lies?